In your video clips, what you can also do is easily add in effects on top of it. So to do that, over here on the top, you can see effects is an option, and there are different effects that you can choose from, as you can see right here. So what you simply need to do is choose an effect that you like. Let's say, for example, I want to go around and bring in this nightclub effect over here. Then all I need to do is click and drag this around, and then there's this effect right here. There's the shadow effect right here. And with the effect, you can see that the effect is here on the top right here. So it affects the layers beneath it over here. Meaning if I were to go around under media and bring in another media right here, just like this on top of it, you can see that it affects out the layers beneath it right here. So for this particular effect, you can work around with color, as you can see, and then you can work around with filters, just like this. You can work around with strength right here, range right here, as you can see, and you can choose how the effects actually behave over here. I can go around and delete this and add in another filters over here as I like as well, or fill effects. So let's focus on the effects right now. So I'm going to go around and bring in this effect right here and resize out the effect as well. And for this particular effect, now you can see that there's a different options right here. I can go around over here and bring in, let's say, for example, this effect over here, and then I'm going to go around and resize this, and you can see that this is another effect that you have. You can work around with blur, you can work around with filters, and you can add in multiple effects over here just like this and make the video look the way you want, just like that. So that is what you have, as you can see. So these are the effects, and all the clips beneath it are affected. But if I were to go around and clip the, let's say, for example, keep it somewhere, then you can see that I cannot actually keep the clips above the effect right here, but it stays beneath it right here. So you can only add in effect to all of the video footages over here. So that is how you can work around with effects, and you can go around, turn off the effects, individual effects, and see how they look as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.